What's up guys, and welcome to yet another video with me, Riaan, the grooming guru. And today's video is about men's skincare. What is that one ingredient, that one magic ingredient that I've been using on my skin over the last couple of months that has really improved my skin and made it glow and feel so moisturized? A lot of you guys want to know what this magic ingredient is. It's called hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is literally a magic product that I've discovered a couple of months ago. I knew about the product, but I started incorporating it into my skincare regime a couple of months ago. Now, what does hyaluronic acid do? For those of you who want to know more, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is hit the subscribe button, because on my channel you're going to get all sorts of men's skincare videos, grooming videos, vlogs, car reviews, travels, and of course my daily life. Let's get back to the topic that we were discussing today, hyaluronic acid, and just how you need to be incorporating it into your skin. Now, what exactly is it, and should you be afraid? Many times I've told my buddies, oh, you need to be using hyaluronic acid on your skin, and they get so scared. They're like, no, I'm not putting any acid on my skin. Guys, it's a very gentle product. You get lots of products in the market out there with hyaluronic acid. You can just look it up. I'm going to show you a product that I'm currently using. I'm going to show you how to use it, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so what does it do? It basically retains moisture. So think of it as a sponge. When you pour water, my hand is a sponge. When you pour water onto a sponge, it absorbs all that water and keeps it in. So hyaluronic acid does just that to your skin. So you apply it on your face, and all the external moisture, it literally sucks in and it retains the moisture. So regular and prolonged use of hyaluronic acid, you will notice a change in your skin. You will notice how it starts glowing and is moisturized and generally looks so nice and fresh and moisturized all the time. So this is something that I guarantee you. How do you use hyaluronic acid? In most cases, it comes in a serum format. A serum is this little bottle. Okay, so the product that I'm going to talk to you about that I've been using now, I've been trying this product for about 2 months, or maybe even more, actually 3 months, because it's halfway through and it's really worked for me. So it's an Aqualogica Hydrate Face Serum with coconut water and hyaluronic acid. I'm going to leave the details in the description. So what exactly is a serum? Is a serum the same thing as a moisturizer? No, the serum is this highly concentrated liquid, a serum that you apply on your face below your moisturizer. Uske upar you have to put your moisturizer on, and the serum has some really potent ingredients, so that really kind of helps your skin. So in most cases, the serum comes with this kind of dropper like this, which you can apply. Okay, now I have to bust a certain myth that a lot of you guys have seen ads for serum and beauty influencers putting on the dropper straight onto your face. Please do not do that, guys. Put it on your palm first and then apply it. Okay, so this is the Aqualogica Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and it smells absolutely amazing, guys, I have to say. Okay, so I'm going to just do a quick texture check. See, this is what it looks like. Okay, so it is literally it's like a liquid. It's like a little bit of water, so it does not have an oily feel at all. So I've had serums which are really oily and sticky. I love the texture of this one. It's literally like putting a second layer of water. So what I'm doing is very gently applying it onto my face. Okay, I'm not massaging it very thoroughly into my skin. I'm just tapping it in, so that, as you can see, all I'm doing is tapping it into my skin, getting it nice and easy all over my skin. I've just tapped it in. It's literally gone all in. It's absorbed so well. Don't use too much, guys. It's pretty concentrated, so you use a couple of drops, spread it across your face. And now that you have applied your hyaluronic acid serum onto your face, it will definitely work wonders and of course retain the moisture. But you need to work with a moisturizer as well, a regular moisturizer. So my recommendation, what I would do is always use a moisturizer after. So after you apply a base of a hyaluronic acid serum, top it up with your moisturizer. This is great in the night when you're doing your night skincare routine. Always remember to apply your moisturizer upwards. So basically what you have done is given your skin this nice burst of moisture starting with the serum and of course topping it up with a moisturizer. This is what I would recommend doing in the night. You know, when you're sitting, you finished your shower, you finished your gym workout or whatever, you finished your day at work and you're sitting in front of the TV, you can do this skincare routine. So put on your hyaluronic acid serum and moisturizer. That's all you need. It doesn't need to be a super complicated thing. There are some of you I know who would do this ritual in the day as well. If you're working from home, I would definitely recommend that you can do this in the day as well. I would not personally recommend doing all this before you step out, because you know, layering your face with too many products, especially if you're going out in the humid pollution conditions, I would say just put on a moisturizer and put sunscreen, very important. But this is definitely something that has worked for me immensely over the last couple of months, and I would definitely recommend. Leave me a comment if you found this video useful. Of course, if you need any other grooming tips or skincare tutorials, I'm happy to make them for you. So leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, till my next video, see you soon.